If you've been hearing the name IUX Markets and wondering what this platform is all about, then this video is going to give you a clear and accurate breakdown of who they are, what they offer, and whether they might be a good fit for your trading style. IUX Markets is a modern CFD trading platform built for traders who want fast execution, clean pricing, and access to a wide variety of global markets. Their system is designed to give traders a smooth experience across Forex, indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and stock CFDs, making it suitable for both beginners and more experienced traders. One of the biggest strengths of IUX Markets is the number of tradable instruments they provide. You can trade major and minor Forex pairs, global indices like NAS 100 and US 30, commodities such as gold, silver, and oil, as well as popular cryptocurrencies and a range of stock CFDs. The platform gives traders plenty of flexibility whether you're scalping, swing trading, or building a long-term strategy, and their layout makes navigating between markets simple and efficient. Now, when it comes to account types, IUX offers three main options, each designed for a different level of trader. The first is the standard account, which is perfect for beginners or anyone looking for a simple, low-cost way to start trading. This account only requires a $10 minimum deposit with a $5 minimum withdrawal, spreads starting from 0.2 pips, zero commission, and maximum leverage of 1 to 3,000. It's straightforward, affordable, and gives new traders the freedom to learn without needing a large starting balance. For more experienced traders, there is the Pro account, which offers tighter pricing and more control without adding commissions. The minimum deposit for this account is $500, with the same $5 minimum withdrawal, spread starting from 0.1 pips, and again, no commission per lot. You also get maximum leverage of 1 to 3,000, making this account a solid choice for day traders and intraday strategies that rely on slightly tighter spread conditions. The third option is the Raw account, designed specifically for scalpers, high-volume traders, and anyone who needs the absolute lowest spreads available. This account also requires a $500 minimum deposit and a $5 minimum withdrawal, but offers spreads starting from 0.0 pips, giving you direct style pricing. The commission on this account is $7 per lot, and leverage is also set at 1 to 3,000. For traders who depend on precision, especially during volatile sessions or news releases, this account provides the clarity and execution speed needed for high-frequency strategies. Outside of the account types, the overall trading experience on IUX Markets is clean and user-friendly. Their platform supports web, mobile, and desktop trading with fast order execution and a streamlined interface that makes it easy for both new and advanced traders to manage positions and navigate different markets. Deposits and withdrawals are straightforward. The portal feels modern, and traders generally appreciate how simple it is to move funds or switch instruments during active sessions. Overall, IUX Markets has positioned itself as a flexible and accessible broker, offering a high-leverage environment, tight spreads, and a large selection of instruments to trade. Whether you're just starting out with a small standard account or running a more advanced Pro or Raw setup, the platform gives you the tools and conditions to shape your own trading approach. If you want a deeper breakdown of each account type or would like to see a live test of spreads and execution, check out my other videos on the channel. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below which broker you want me to review next.